Because when you said the local coaches should be bold enough to be their own men, not to be influenced. And that's how we talk about it. If a coach in the field say, fine, there's a level of influence that can come. And sometimes you have to be flexible. It may be how you are, then maybe a management will be channel just okay, Matthias.
Alright guys, welcome back to Makati Media once again. After Kotoko winning the just ended Ghana Premier League, anyway, be not happy on Omo camp players BLV and some technical members miss here the movie. Now latest one our better he and say the coach Mr. Prosper Ogum also the resignation letter. Akoma management said own team maybe when I say or resign from being the coach of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na nyina ba say one management ensem kan be one na ya amponsane some management members be a meeting na mokoye enti ase ntimi ama meeting no efa sa players coach no demand na afen so team no so team no management so enso e kan for because omo ntimi meet sa coach no demand no coach no demand about 17 players na management so omo ntimi enko a whole first 11 plus 6 substitutes and free baby inside my call team no. In several media houses said your mouth no to him. Now latest one is here by a bright Kankam Boadu in the panels OB Thrice more and no money answer the more and not as some more.
And I made see in the same way, for instance, my planning program might be but commercial manager say there is an interview be a I say we saw your mommy anyway. Sometimes or when you say generally is not allowed like that.
Yeah.
You are supposed to give me heads up, maybe and rap.
Absolutely.
And maybe a week before we go another maybe in the morning grand San Bedrua. But my system program maybe during the show no Abeka. Okay, sometimes you look at the bigger pictures. Okay, well, at the corner ben, who does it benefit? It benefits all of us. Because invariably, Skaba, then you think along those lines. And maybe as a coach, nobody suggesting me. Over said says okay, my ABI the I don't know okay, my main fa. Baby so I say no influence. It depends. But management also what steps because we point to say only coach here, Juma. Coach no say bia, only for say I'm not saying inside the team, but and then so they say I'm a volunteer because and then I'm a
record this record super. Record this record super.
Sometimes as a coach you have to be a little political.
Absolutely.
Politically very intelligent. In a sense that Kotoko is a political institution. As I'm talking Kotoko. And I'm telling you that it's become very political that it involves even the media, supporters. Because a group of members of factions are them. And I know you got to a point in time. Who are you to talk about management? Yeah. Say, if your management won't be no management yeah. People will come attacking you because they feel that you want to give the team a bad name. So it will drive along that so something like this will happen. Then everybody will give it the opportunity to talk. But me say, I didn't management and so quite be so. A man share a way to sort out the problem because it looks like no coach in the management. No management, no management. And be a coach in the meeting. Coach felt say as about the Yakudi management side. From coach where he was coming from. He felt say so meeting is starting on Kaho.
Yeah, no correct.
No more meeting and someone sending a link to join.
Yes.
So when he came in, he felt from questions. And then somewhere question say
you might also think say board any management what can
no, but you see
and he came in with a certain level of question.
So what is the football structure at Kotoko? Up him so and also board management and some about technical. Inti abronsan no there was so pa de obian ko up him so there yenyan ko menhia. So board any management e kan bom na who coach omo di unya no said there's something wrong. Board name management into me collaborate against you.
Yeah, so going forward, OB tries say na coach Nikampo had no business doing. I was our board meeting, so now true and unfair coach I was our board man and I said management on some members friends and then as mum they inviting our board this ma over betting as our meeting as an evina and kapa de anka coach ni kwana kasa meeting also. And I think so coach nya abocha and church and then same more meeting as ɛwɔ sanka bra coach ne ko meeting as na onya abɔkyɛ de ne nsɛm to mpanyinfo ne na mpanyinfo yɛ de ehu adwon bɛfa fa ho ba no no kɔɛ no already na coach ne bu afu dada nti meaning sɛ wɔde kan take decision sɛ obe leave team no dada nti ɔkɔ meeting ase nyina ɔde abufu ne kɔɛ.
Coach Prosper Ogum, our friends on the board. At least he has 2 friends on the board. At least 2 friends on the board. So even in the first place, no, we cry no meet you know, sanko we are not see you abeka there was a catcher. But they thought say through coach your friendship on the board, no, your friends pushed for you to be on the meeting because you shouldn't be there even in the first place. So he got there. The problem you know say or drew board no hono e hon na wo so onya abotre
no church na same ejina make catch us and goma medi no you know from coach side I want me coach ni ada vogaka e be feel say no to coach ni abotre because coach no dey na watie ene dey na asie no it ya say o de kokoko meet nim kaka what ya say enti unza say o kan say na board chairman to aba o go no ato aba ene say you na I was now they go from one dream and
a pile up. It's a make us go a bus no call open so anymore. Coach ne CEO ni management no man kasada. We are no atwam. We are no atwam.
Adentra.
Say on Barreto. Unse Barreto afresh opacho. Na nkofo bi na na ehye nachi. Oba asante kotoko. Na obie wasumu kese a. People the breaks, yes. Into all of a sudden, open you by head. We know, Miami Nia Santifoku, open mobile Kumasino. Now, was a Muhusenya, Nyoma City, or who, and Yakeko Sasamo, a Kumasi as until you have to be smart on, you know, certain levels. So, the first 5-6 games of the season, the coach was not on talking terms with his CEO.
Really?
Yes. After the King Faisal loss, the coach was crying.
King Faisal loss on the coach management said they should be the management and he will coach his team.
Well, okay. So, also the defenders ni nyanye. Or Mompe defenders for no, but you've won your first 4 or 5 matches. How come all of a sudden all of your defenders are not good? Look, sometimes this story okay, bet me treating da. But say nipa ankasa no your life no some way. This wouldn't have been a story because it is piled up, chairman up. Dubai nyina say na coach sun Dubai o. O sun Dubai nyina say Kotoko lusu pre-season match wo Dubai. Nsema wo no chairman enyansem ketwa wo enyansem ketwa it got to a heated argument to the extent say coach as prosperity assistant baku PA so ko bompa say nyame ebeka coach akoma we be adru no wan hwa ye pamom nyina
Kotoko the Kankam no bi o si dey see
tell me power ankasa no o di nyoma sie saa na o ye ni social media na o ganishi. How can you call your communications manager a gossip? Oh, concerning now, how can you do that?
Coach called the communications manager a gossip.
So be a kata biasu. Okay, yeah, boys no. They don't want the truth. They simply hate the truth. And no nedahono. To the extent say he's now disrespecting board members. And that is unacceptable. Yet to me, it's also. How can you tell a whole board? Sir, Ubeshi Omuajisa August. Now a local Black Stars camp. Now what for crowd me sir?
Obi Asama okay. A whole board, no, no, be number by management. When some of us felt that the management was disrespecting the board chairman. Yeah, okay, some of them took it to that to insult.
And I make a chairman say we could have cured it long time.
Isn't it virtually the same thing?
We could have cured it long time. We entertained it. Yeah, baby, it's management. You know, the elephant in the bush. Prosperity about PhD. Elephant in the bush. As 2 elephants fighting. Whose office? It's the club. So we've entertained Asante Kotoko and here for open discussion. We raise the issue. Jano, and not Prosper Nato Ogum, the hero, is now the villain. And that's why I feel sad for Prosper, because you can't fight Kotoko and Hasufuku. You can compare Samuel Boadu. The most influential board member by radio so for close to a week. Or Tata Papanisa or Hanisa just to push him out. Someone say no way. So just wap on me. No Prosper kakra way now. I will say I can't 1 year. It's even difficult to retain the league.
Say individual difference.
Of course. Of course.
I won't let you push me out. I'm a man of my own. I've won the league. I did it on my own. You don't tell me what to do. So okay, take your club.
You did it on your own?
Yes.
Referee said Richard Boadu can say you are not go king. A free since we feel home. I'm a catcher say he on one can say question how Kotoko won the league. Okay.
The question is meeting National. Question.
But also because about meeting, then I'm going to one cabinet meeting. Cabinet meeting. I'm penny
Chairman.
The walls are here.
Sir, a question. I want to say at the moment to Asugi. Sir, Obi Kasa resignation by Peche say reasons are Nipan Onu Odi Jason say. Obia entimi nya hu bibia biem enu tire nipa no gyan say wa resign but chairman den na news in Bible nte say wa resign.
Now still on the coach in the resignation no several media houses now I report here and I say omo di one anu to nsensem no veteran journalist I friend Joe Laka, Mr. Joe Laka, yes, say Joe ono nso de na no aba to nsem no ono nso ne pandits say Franko Naro omo nso ensem buy on the coach no.
Na sa na ye team. Opam edu akofa do so say. But that is not how good coaches work. Ogum was fairly big time because of the Babon. You know, someone for attack Ogum.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm for attack Ogum.
But there are several other reasons.
It was push in India.
He may come out. I'm out. There'll be any sense and trophy for obey. He will tell them his side of the stories.
Do you think Asante Kotoko need Ogum back? Unza. Maybe so.
Who said, do I think they need him back?
Yeah.
I think, say.
Maybe do say. That's what I'm going to say. Casanova back.
My dream say, dear Miss Nimini, dear Matiteka, I dance here, any be been to mean to Minkano. My dreams will do level up. Coming back will be difficult.
A bear affected team now.
Of course.
So many new coaches here. So, although Africa didn't ever affect you.
My dream say,
in the last minute, teams will be for coaches on the performer.
Can we think of a coach, local or foreign?
Foreign. Yeah, local class will be. Yeah, local class will be. Obi to me for team. Mainstream. As what they don't papa.
What is several examples of Enyamina Messini players me by late in Tina Yinya 11.
Okay, in the Amas,
it's not the best. The best would have been for Ogum to go back to go with the team. But only one of my team listened to me in Dampine. The Obeyan say but I'm saying that the best thing was for him to have stayed and then go to Africa with the team.
But management to do, they were more fault. So I was not coaching.
But you see,
it's been better back to push the go back.
But say the management no kwani eti omukasi.
Yeah.
Coach ni
nyantine
what you say. But what is not good for this management, and they say it was Masokunedu who was sacked. Then cometh Barreto. And then the Sunday Johnson Smith cried and a stopgap or something, and another qualification current to me man into us. Then Prosper.
Yeah, so this is the latest on Kotoko Coach, Mr. Prosper Ogum. Me follow up with Omo and be a bit pop up then, so my be upload has in my hinty. Wow, we new has no. And as a unya subscribe, no, Mr. Subscribe, never part of the McCarthy media family no na yɛnyinaa yɛntumi nsua de anaasɛ yɛntumi nya information day in day out na ɛwɔ ha sei.
I don't wanna let myself down myself